question we are having from Kanupriya Arora ji. She's saying that after her C-section delivery months back, she is facing severe arm and back pain. Even she is not able to take the pain of her weight of her hand. She is needing another hand to support it. So kindly please guide her how she can improve with her physical health.
I think she should, uh, take uh, warm water, warm water, 3, 4 sips every half an hour. Warm water every half an hour, because this is her vata is being disturbed. Vata, she should not live in a cold climate, nor she should drink anything cold. No cold drinks, no cold things. Warm water every 2, 3 sips, not more than that. And she should apply mustard oil or til ka tel. Have a massage on her body, little warm. That will help her a lot. And do Pavan Muktasana Asana, under guidance slowly. That will help her a lot with her pain and movement. Because Vata is responsible for the movement of the entire body. And when it is disturbed, it has got, you can create so many problems like what she is facing.